Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the lovely world of small garden waterfalls. Whether you are looking to add a touch of tranquility to your outdoor space or create a mesmerizing focal point, these little wonders have got you covered. So let's jump right in and explore everything you need to know about small garden waterfalls. Imagine you step in your backyard oasis after a long day, and the first thing that greets you is the smoothing melody of water cascading down your every own miniature waterfalls. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's totally achievable, and today we are going to show you how. Now, let's address the big question. Why would you consider adding a small garden waterfalls to your outdoor space? Well, aside from the obvious aesthetic appeal, these water features offer a myriad of benefits. Not only do they create a sense of serenity and relaxation, but they also attract local wildlife like birds and butterflies, turning your garden into a lively ecosystem. But wait, there's more. Did you know that the gentle sound of flowing water can also help mask unwanted noise from neighbors on nearby streets? It's like having your own natural sound machine right in your backyard. Now, let's talk about the nitty gritty details of building and maintaining a small garden waterfall. One common concern many people have is the amount of space required. Fear not, even if you have a petite patio or balcony, there are plenty of compact designs that can fit snugly into smaller areas. From cascading rock transformations to sleek modern designs, the options are endless. Plus, with the right materials and a little creativity, you can customize your waterfall to suit your style and space perfectly. Oh, but what about the technician stuff? You ask, how do you actually get the water flowing? Well, it's simpler than you might think. All you need is a simple submersible pump like this one, which can easily be concealed within your waterfall structure. Just place the pump at the base of your waterfall, connect it to a power source, and voila! You are one step closer to creating your personal paradise. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, plants. Incorporating lush greenery around your waterfall not only enhances its natural beauty but also helps maintain a healthy ecosystem. Choose a variety of water loving plants like ferns, hostas, and ornamental grasses to add texture and color to your garden oasis. And don't forget to mulch. Layer of mulch not only helps retain moisture but also prevents weeds from taking over your garden beds. Ah, but there are questions for you. How often should you water your plants around the waterfall? Well, it's depend on factors like the type of plants you have and the climate in your area. Generally aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Alright, folks, we have covered a lot of ground today, but before we wrap up, let's address our one final question. What about maintenance? Like any other features in your garden, small waterfalls require some TLC to keep them looking their best. Regularly check and clean the pump to ensure proper function. Remove any debris from the waterfall basins and trim back any overgrown plants to maintain a tidy appearance. And there you have it, folks. With a little planning, creativity, and a whole lot of love, you too can enjoy the beauty and tranquility of a small garden waterfall right in your own backyard. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy gardening.